How to check if iPhone supports eSIM. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. On this page, scroll down and tap on Add eSIM. This means that your phone supports eSIM. You can now set up eSIM on your phone. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan a QR code from your network provider. Choose any of the methods and then follow the instructions to proceed. Keep in mind that eSIM support may change based on the region variant of your phone. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone supports eSIM. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.